Hello, it's Martin. I'm going to clean my mouse. Right, so part of the cleaning maintenance that I've been doing, I've cleaned my computer, I cleaned my keyboard. Now it's time to clean the mouse. Now this seems to might be a pointless video, but I thought, oh wow, since I've done everything else, I might as well do this. So I've got everything I need. I've got water with some soap, hot water. I've got some toothbrushes that I picked literally from Tesco's very cheaply. This is not a sponsor. They didn't sponsor me to make this, of course. This was, I thought I need cheap toothbrushes. These were the cheapest. Of course, I'll put links to the cheapest one I found on Amazon. So, and then I've got some cloths to clean it. Now, I have said this before. I'm not going to condone you what you do with the mouse. Your hands are dirty and you put that dirt on your mouse, so you should be doing this. Of course, this is our Logitech. I can't remember what make it is. It'll be in the description, of course. This will be cleaned. You eat food, you eat coffee beside your computer. I do this, so I'm not condemning you that you should do it, but now and again you should clean your mouse. You clean your keyboard. So if you hear my wife, I do apologize. So let's get on with this. So I got nice. See how filthy we can get this. So when I was looking at the mouse, I'm thinking, how can I clean this properly? And I mean properly. And I thought, why don't you get a toothbrush? So all you do, go for it. Now I'm hoping this still works. If not, I'll have to buy myself a new mouse. And then this was quite an expensive mouse as well. So of course there's a connection there. So yeah, so this is good. So now of course you see me clean my keyboard, which is part of my series I was doing of cleaning and maintenance. I think, say it's screwed, I'm going to cable manage my computer. Stay tuned to that, because that's going to be what I'm going to be doing in that video. I can give you what's in my head for that video. I'm going to be showing you in real time. No editing like I normally do, like I do fast forward. There'll be no fast forward. This will be real time edit. Real time edit. Real time. It shows you how long I'm going to do it, and I'm going to put my own spin to it, because, well, it's probably been done before, but I'm going to do it this way. So yeah, it's not too bad. Actually, it's not too bad. So yeah, so it's all nice, and so this might be a very quick video. So this literally is going to be long. This is not going to be a very long video, but that's okay. I thought I'd just do it because now I've got another brush here. So what I could do is clean all the sides to it. That's why I've got two brushes there. They're literally going to go in the bin afterwards, so I might as well get on. So, and what I can do is I can go around again. So. So that's it, nice and clean. I can't believe how quick this video is. I knew this was going to be a quick video. It's literally just me cleaning the mouse. Not rocket science, but I thought I'll show you. And this is good maintenance. This is good housekeeping. I have mentioned this before, and I'm going to keep saying it. People always clean up the files, make sure the computer's nice and clean, make sure all the files are clean. But they never look at peripherals. So, and it's something we should be doing. So I'm making sure it smells. I don't know why it just smelled my mouth. So honestly, I don't know why I did that. So, and of course there'll be food on it by tonight. Guarantee this. Actually, it will be actually. So that's fine. That's fine. So, okay, so I think get the wheel clean. So that's what all the muck is. It's this wheel. Perfect. Okay, I think that's as far as I'm going to go. So it doesn't about that. Yeah, that's good. So that's me pretty much done now, so it's nice and clean. The water wasn't too mucky, I think it was overkill, but you know what? I would have it overkill. It's not like my keyboard last time where the water was black, which I do. So that's it all clean now. So I know this seems a pointless video. So yes. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.